rained and I didn't put the cover on. You ready for splashdown? Oh, I don't want to get wet. Ah! It's perfect, right?
Yeah.
I'm glad you didn't stop recording. Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Lyfe Off-Road, and today I wanted to show you a little bit of the wiring and light clip that I installed on the back of the Jeep. But first, let's take a look at our SPOD. So we've had this Bantam X SPOD for about 6 or 7 months now and been loving it. We have our e-lockers installed on it. We have our rock lights installed in it. And I wired up something special for the back. I routed all of the wires down through the engine compartment. Along the frame. Here is our rear chase light and whip light bracket that we have on our website. Check it out. Link down in the description. But what I really wanted to show you is the wiring clip that I created for any LED item in the back that attaches to our bracket. So I can attach a whip, a chase light, any auxiliary lighting to this wire. It hooks up to the same switch that I have routed to my SPOD in the engine compartment. So it's pretty cool. So come check this out. I have this wire and it's routed underneath. So I have my wire routed down through the plug in the floor in the back here. And I attached this plug